Trust me, what you're about to witness is not your average camper van. It's not your ordinary RV. And it's definitely not the kind of motorhome you see parked at a campground every weekend. This is the incredible 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Motorhome, a futuristic expedition machine that combines luxury living, serious off-road capability, and Toyota-inspired reliability into one unforgettable package. Welcome back to drivetrain, where we showcase the wildest trucks, luxury motorhomes, and futuristic adventure vehicles ever imagined. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at a six-wheel drive motorhome that could completely redefine the future of overland travel. Whether you're planning to explore America's national parks, conquer remote mountain trails, cross endless deserts, or simply live off the grid in total comfort, the Toyota Sprinter 6x6 is built to make every journey unforgettable. The moment it comes into view, it's impossible to ignore. Its commanding stance immediately separates it from every other motorhome on the road. 3 heavy-duty axles support 6 massive all-terrain tires wrapped around rugged beadlock wheels, giving this machine incredible stability and unmatched confidence on rough terrain. The body sits high above the ground thanks to an advanced adaptive air suspension system that automatically adjusts ride height depending on the terrain beneath you. At the front, the bold Toyota-inspired grille dominates the design, flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights and aggressive daytime running lights that create a futuristic appearance both day and night. A reinforced steel bumper houses heavy-duty recovery hooks, skid plates, and an integrated electric winch, proving this motorhome is designed for real adventure instead of simply looking tough. Above the windshield stretches a full-width LED light bar capable of turning the darkest trail into daylight, making nighttime exploration safer and more exciting. Moving along the sides, you'll notice large lockable storage compartments built into the body. These provide space for camping equipment, recovery gear, tools, outdoor furniture, spare parts, bicycles, and everything needed for extended expeditions. A reinforced roof rack supports solar panels, roof storage boxes, satellite communication equipment, and additional adventure gear. Every inch of the exterior has been engineered with purpose. Massive panoramic windows not only create a sleek modern appearance, but also flood the cabin with natural light, while providing breathtaking views of every destination. Step inside and the rugged exterior gives way to an interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than an expedition motorhome. Premium leather seating, handcrafted wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and elegant ambient lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The spacious lounge area features comfortable sofas positioned around a modern entertainment center with a massive smart display and premium surround sound system. Large panoramic windows allow you to enjoy mountain views, lakes, forests, and deserts from the comfort of your living room. At the center of the cabin sits a stylish dining area that comfortably accommodates family and friends for meals, conversations, or remote work. Every surface feels premium, and every detail reflects thoughtful craftsmanship. The fully equipped kitchen rivals many modern homes. Premium stone countertops, soft close cabinets, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwave systems, full-size refrigerators, and intelligent storage solutions ensure every meal can be prepared with ease, whether you're parked beside a mountain lake or deep in the wilderness. Continuing toward the rear reveals the luxurious master bedroom. A king-size bed with premium bedding creates the perfect retreat after a day of adventure. Integrated reading lights, wireless charging stations, climate controls, and panoramic windows transform every night into a 5-star experience. Additional sleeping accommodations provide comfortable space for family members or guests, making the Sprinter ideal for long road trips. The bathroom continues the premium theme with a spacious walk-in shower, elegant vanity, modern fixtures, intelligent storage, and luxury finishes that make it feel more like a boutique hotel than a traditional RV. Above, panoramic skylights fill the cabin with sunlight during the day while offering incredible views of the stars after dark. Technology plays a major role throughout the motorhome. A fully integrated smart home system allows you to control lighting, climate, security, entertainment, water systems, and energy management through a large central touchscreen or voice commands. High-speed satellite internet keeps you connected even in remote locations, allowing you to work, stream entertainment, or communicate with family wherever your adventures take you. The cockpit is every driver's dream. Heated and ventilated captain's chairs provide outstanding comfort during long-distance journeys. fully digital instrument cluster displays navigation, suspension settings, vehicle diagnostics, tire pressure, energy management, and off-road performance data in real time. The massive infotainment display controls navigation, cameras, climate functions, entertainment, and terrain management systems. Multiple 360-degree cameras eliminate blind spots, while advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane centering assistance, collision avoidance technology, and intelligent terrain management, make driving this large vehicle surprisingly easy. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Motorhome is imagined with a powerful twin-turbo hybrid diesel engine, producing more than 850 horsepower and over 1,600 pound-feet of torque. That incredible power is sent through an intelligent six-wheel drive system capable of maintaining traction across sand, mud, snow, rocks, and steep mountain trails. The advanced adaptive suspension continuously monitors terrain conditions and automatically adjusts ride quality to maximize comfort and stability. Massive fuel capacity, roof-mounted solar panels, high-capacity lithium batteries, and intelligent energy management systems allow the Sprinter to remain completely off-grid for extended adventures without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're towing boats, trailers, motorcycles, or outdoor equipment, the heavy-duty towing package handles demanding loads with confidence. Imagine waking up beside a crystal-clear mountain lake, preparing breakfast while watching the sunrise through panoramic windows, spending the day exploring hidden trails, and ending the evening beneath a sky full of stars without ever leaving the comfort of your luxury motorhome. That's the lifestyle the Toyota Sprinter 6x6 was designed to deliver. It isn't simply a camper. It isn't simply an RV. It's a luxury expedition headquarters built for those who refuse to let the road determine where adventure ends. From its aggressive exterior and premium interior to its intelligent technology and unstoppable six-wheel drive capability, every detail has been imagined to inspire exploration. If the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Motorhome ever became reality, it would undoubtedly become one of the most desirable expedition campers ever created. The only question is this: where would your first adventure take you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for drivetrain, because we've got even more incredible trucks, luxury campers, and futuristic expedition vehicles coming your way.